So October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and again, this was a tutorial I have had on the page, but it's really long, so I'm shortening it up for one of these quick 3-minute style tutorials. Start by putting a wavy line across the top of your rock. The more waves you have, the more ripples you'll have in your ribbon. Next, starting in the center section, you're going to create vertical lines, and the height that you want your ribbon to be is how tall or long you want these vertical lines to be. Then going parallel to the top line, go ahead and create a bottom portion to your ribbon. Next, you're going to repeat this out on your ripples. The height should be the same. So when you create your bottom line, it should be about as high from the bottom as it is higher than the top. Once you finish all these sections, you're also going to make straight lines down from all of your back curves. These are going to create spaces where you're going to give your ribbon shadow. Now, since we're going to paint this ribbon pink, I'm going to go ahead and do a white undercoat. That way I only have to do one layer of the pink. So get it right up to those edges. We're going to reline absolutely everything at the end. So it's better to get it all the way up to that line, even if you go over just a little bit, and then let that dry completely and repeat with your pink. Now, to create your shadow color, you're going to mix in the opposite side of the color wheel from pink. So we're going to use this green color. We're going to mix it into our pink, and we're going to get this kind of darker purple color. Then you're going to go in all the little places where the ribbon overlaps and create these shadow spaces. And again, get this all the way out to the edges. That way when you come back and line at the end, your color completely fills in the shape. Now come back through, reline the entire design so you have a nice crisp outline, and then we're going to add the word brave to the center. Now I like to start in the middle of words, that way I can get my spacing a little bit more even. So we're going to put our A down first, then the VE, and then the R and B added to it as well. A couple little ribbons on the edges, and this rock is going to be finished. Now, if you need a few more details on this, there is a full-length tutorial linked in the description below, and here at the end, I'm also linking to more word rock tutorials for you.